Let's talk about tabs in File Explorer. This is something that was introduced in Windows 11 towards the latter half of 2022. So if you don't have this and you have Windows 11, make sure you are on the latest version of Windows 11. All right, let's open up File Explorer. Here we go. So first off, right on the top, you see we have a tab. This should be familiar to you if you use modern web browsers in Windows. You see there's a plus here. So I could open up a tab and click on it again. I now have 3 tabs open. They're all pointing to the same location, my home. Let's do something a little bit interesting and see what we could do with these tabs. So this first tab, let's go to my D drive folder A. There we go. On the second tab, let's go to the D drive folder B. This last tab, let's close it. We just hit this X and it will go away. There we go. Now we have 2 tabs open, my folder A and this folder, folder B. One thing that's interesting is we could rearrange these tabs. So for example, I could click and hold this tab and drag it towards the end here and let go. Now the 2 tabs have been reversed. Okay. Another thing that's interesting, I can move this file from this tab to this other tab. To do that, just click and hold on to it. Drag it over the tab name to the top there. Don't let go. Then bring it down here and let go. And there we go. The file was moved from one tab, the folder in one tab, to the folder in the other tab. Now, one thing that you might see that you do not see on your Windows, on your File Explorer, is I have the full path name up here. By default, this would just say A because I'm in folder A, and this would just say B because I'm in folder B. But I have this enabled to show the full path name, and I suggest you do the same. Here's how you do that. While in File Explorer, go to these 3 dots. Click on that. Then go to Options. From here, go to the View tab. In the View tab, you see there's an option that says Display the full path in the title bar. Make sure that is checked. If it's not checked, let me uncheck mine so you can see what happens. If it's not checked, you just have the folder name. You don't have the full path. So keep that checked. Let me go back to that and re-enable it. There we go. The other thing that you should have unchecked is hide extensions for known file types. You should be familiar with the extensions of the files you use. That's something that's just useful to know. So make sure this is unchecked and that will help you. Let me show you what this does. I have a file here. This is the one I moved earlier. It's called myfile.txt. If I did not show extensions, it would just say my file and it would have the same icon. You should have this enabled to show the .txt. That way you know precisely what kind of file this is. This is a text file. It's just an ASCII file. That's what they call an ASCII file. Other common extensions are docx for Word, pptx for PowerPoint. You should just get used to those, and the best way to get used to it is to make sure that those extensions always show. Okay? That's all there is to it. Thank you. Bye.